Hello and welcome to Auto Budget Reviews. Today I'm breaking down the top 7 common car problems drivers face in 2025, plus the quick fixes that save time, stress, and money. Number 1. Dead battery. Still the most common issue. The fix? Keep a portable jump starter in your trunk. No second car needed and it works in seconds, day or night. Number 2. Check engine light. Usually caused by a loose gas cap, faulty sensor, or oxygen issue. Grab a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, plug it in, connect to your phone, and find out the issue instantly. Number 3. Overheating engine. Most times it's low coolant or a faulty radiator fan. Let the engine cool, check coolant levels, and top up if needed. Replace coolant every 2 years to avoid this. Number 4. Flat tire or low tire pressure. This one's frustrating but common. Keep a portable tire inflator and a can of tire sealant in your trunk. And check your tire pressure monthly. It helps fuel economy too. Number 5. Brake noise or vibration. Grinding, squeaking, or shaking while braking means it's time for an inspection. Often, it's worn brake pads or warped rotors. Don't delay. Brake problems can get dangerous fast. Number 6. Battery terminal corrosion. If your car struggles to start, check your battery terminals. White or blue-green buildup means corrosion. Use a wire brush and battery cleaner to clean them up. It can instantly improve power flow. Number 7. Faulty spark plugs. Rough starts, engine misfires, or poor fuel economy often trace back to spark plugs. Replace them every 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers, or check your owner's manual for your model's schedule. These are the most frequent car issues we see in 2025. But now you know how to handle each one with confidence. If you love saving money and making smarter car choices, make sure to follow Auto Budget Reviews for more weekly tips.